Every year, companies across North America lose billions of dollars due to burnout, stress, and mental health issues that cause employee productivity and positivity to plummet. You can't ignore the problem, and you definitely can't afford another temporary workplace wellness quick fix. You need a customized, company-wide solution that everyone can get excited about. Designed by health and productivity expert Michelle Cederberg, the Success Energy Equation is a cutting-edge program that helps growing companies assess and strengthen employee productivity and positivity in two vital ways: by enriching employee physical, mental, and emotional capacity, and by sharpening their key success competencies. The result is a workplace culture that embraces employee health, attitudes, and habits as essential pieces of a company-wide success strategy. Because happy, healthy employees are productive employees. The Success Energy Equation adds up to high-performing teams that are creative, adaptable, and resilient. Contact Michelle today to learn more.